How to use Cutlist Evolution to save money on your materials. First, set up your project in the Options panel. You can use decimals or fractions. There are several settings for materials. These include sheet, linear, or roll. Additional settings allow you to get the best results for your cutting process, whether using a circular or table saw, CNC, or a professional cutting machine. Next, head to the Inputs panel. Start with your stock. Enter the length, width, and quantity, or select Automatically Add Stock for an unlimited number. Do the same for your parts, which are the cuts you want to make. You can control the orientation of each part, which can be locked horizontally, vertically, or rotate freely. Finally, add your blade width in the input options, so the parts are spaced correctly. All of your inputs should use the same unit, so if you use millimeters for your dimensions, use the same to set the blade width. Now you can run your calculation. Click the button on the bottom right of the screen. When your calculation is ready, the Workbench panel will automatically open. Here you can examine your result in detail. The summary shows key data, including the number of in-place parts and unused stock. The interactive diagram illustrates the cut pattern and allows you to click on individual parts to see more detail, including dimensions and position information. The number on each part corresponds to the numbers in the input panel. Click Show Cuts to highlight each cut on the diagram and see various measurements to help cut your stock accurately. Cuts are displayed in a recommended sequence, and you can examine each individually. Clicking on the previews of each stock allows you to navigate through the cut patterns. This should be enough to get started. Enjoy making efficient use of your materials.